I've done this before, Woo! Oh my gosh. Woo!
As you saw in part 1, Bertram is definitely the land of the wooden features, no doubt.
Oh, I'm totally riding this.
While the first part of this video visits more wood, it will be focused more on the awesome trails that are actually here in this trail system, which, by the way, are pretty awesome. Did I mention they're awesome?
I still didn't get that. That's what I did. I went. Yeah, I better not do that. That's how I crashed. Of course, I was going 140 miles an hour. At least. All right, so this is the first real trail I did on this bike. Oh, it's brand new. Once again, I'm at Bertram. I just did Huck Harbor. I'm gonna do this up to the wooden features. I'm kind of taking it easy. It's been a long weekend. It's only Saturday night, man. Yeah, I know. It's been a long day. I was up at Cuyuna, which is my tires are still slightly red. Ew, mud. A few muddy corners. That corner, it seems like it's always muddy, but I've only been here like, this is my 4th time maybe. Got rained out in Cuyuna Range, which isn't that big of a deal, but I figured it'd be like noon before they dried out. I believe this is where the fun begins. Yep. Oh, I got a piece of dirt in my eye. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I thought this was the fun section. Yeah, I gotta take it kind of easy in some of these. Here we go. This is where it gets fun. This is one of the first jumps I took on my bike, on this bike. Oh, world class. That's pretty sweet. Yeah, this is the flow area. I'm trying to see if that wooden feature is still there. I don't know. I know there's some kind of wooden feature right there on that other part. Wow. The trail is just, I'm getting splattered with the trail. I don't remember if there's a jump here or not. I've been here it's been so long since I've been here. Yeah, there's kind of a jump right there. Oh my gosh, you can see people skidded into that. I try not to do that, especially when it's damp like this. That's kind of a poopy manual. Poopy manual. There's actually a few wooden features here I haven't done. There's a ski jump. That's what I have it labeled as. I just passed it. And considering the trails are kind of damp and I'm kind of tired. Nope. I don't know if I'll come back up here again this year. We'll have to see. Let's see how far it is. It's a long ways for me to come. This direction, neck of the woods. But I did Elm Creek and I did, oh no, I haven't done Elm Creek, but I've done Hillside and Monticello. So I don't have to come as far up now. If I want to ride Elm Creek, I just come up and do Elm Creek. Which, I'm still trying to plan to do that. This is my first GoPro experience at this particular location. And as you can see, it's an actual roller coaster of a trail. And I'm just kind of riding it. Fun trail, but I don't know if there's enough daylight for me to do the whole. Definitely not enough daylight for me to do the whole thing. I'll do Hook Harbor again and go home. I'm completely okay with being here. It's all dark. But I want to be out of here well before that. This is all coming back. I did ride this quite a bit in 2018. I think probably 3 times. At least 3 times. It's kind of confusing actually. I think it's right up here. Figured I'd have enough time for this stuff. I putzed around so much this morning. I drove way too much today. But I had many vacations, so that's just the way it is. I got all day tomorrow just to relax. And that's what I'm going to be doing. I might bring the bike into the bike shop tomorrow because my new derailleur is being stupid. I won't shift up to the highest, largest, lowest gears in the rear. This looks like, yeah, this is it right here. Yep. So okay, so now when you get to this intersection, no hiking, only easiest green. You want to do that, that goes back to, like I said, I'd love to do the whole enchilada. Whoa, I'm supposed to be done by now, or almost done. It's been an insane summer. Insanely good summer. Right around one of these bends, you will see it. Yeah, I know I've actually cammed this before, but like I said, first time on a GoPro. So, right up here somewhere. Somewhere in the twisting pines. I do not have my knee pads on. I was gonna put them on and I was like, eh. It's an unending maze. Wow. It's like I keep thinking it's gonna jump out at me and it's not. What the heck? I did this last time. I was like, where the heck is this feature? I know it's back here. Unless they took it down for, oh, there it is. Anti-Python. Stay focused on focusing on staying focused. Staying focused. Oh. So those of you who haven't seen this thing before, that's what it looks like. And it doesn't move until your tire is at the very edge. The twilight is coming. There's the log ends. I've missed that. I think I'm going to get more skill before I do that again. Last time I got up on it, but that's about it. Got up on it and then I fell over. So I believe the LOCKNESS is next. It's actually fun and easy to do. That's where the black comes out. Your speed up. Oh, the next feature. All right, so here is, that sign tells me that there's the feature is right up here, I think. Yep, here it is. LOCKNESS Monster. It's a little bit hard to get that end. And it's kind of janky, just like the other one. So they actually have nice signs up now. I don't think they had signs up before. So that's pretty much the end of that. All right, so this is where I came out. on kickstart. Now I'm going back. Pretty easy. And actually, you can do this whole side of the creek all the way down to that bridge and come back. You don't have to cross the bridge and do the whole loop. I'd recommend doing the whole loop if you have time, but it's pretty much for Bertram. I wasn't here for very long. I need to take a pit stop from all the driving. My bike is being stupid. Yeah, it's way janky. Everything's janky today. Holy cow.